Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. First, I want to say Happy New Year to everybody, to all my followers, their families, and hope that the coming year is prosperous and successful for all of you. Okay, now to the question. So I know that you had another part of this, but there's different issues here. Just because you don't have a criminal record doesn't mean you're not removable, okay? I mean, if somebody comes to the U.S. illegally and stays here, they're removable because they have no legal status to stay here, regardless of the crime. If somebody comes here and stays here over a year, and then just voluntarily leaves and then comes back again without inspection, they're then subject to the permanent bar, where they can't even apply for a waiver for 10 years. So the fact that, someone has no criminal record but is married to, I'm assuming a U.S. citizen or even a lawful permanent resident, does not mean that it's easy peasy to get the green card at that point. So I would need to know what happened here. You say that he got stopped at the border and got removed again. Okay, that's a big flag, which to me indicates he has a prior removal order and that he tried to enter illegally after a prior removal order. If that's the case, he is subject to the permanent bar, which means the fact that you have happened to be the spouse of this person, and you happen to be, I suspect, a U.S. citizen, does not help with getting over the permanent bar. Now, that doesn't mean there aren't ways to try to get in legally, but it's not going to be through a petition by you. So, first things first, I need to determine if he's subject to the permanent bar. If he is, then your petition's not going to help. I need to know when he was here before and if he was ever a victim of crime where he had to call the police for help, whether he was working for employers that didn't pay him or grossly underpaid him, because those have openings for U visa and T visas, which can waive the permanent bar. I need to know if he's a citizen of a country that has a treaty with the U.S., so maybe an E2 investment type visa for his own business with a non-immigrant waiver. So there's various options, but I need to ask some questions and get some answers to know the best way to proceed. Okay.